7 here is proving triangles similar 1, and they'll be proving triangles similar 2 tomorrow, but we'll kind of just give the basics today. So 3 ways to do this. So way number 1 could have AA. Okay, meaning 2 angles on one triangle are the exact same as 2 angles on another triangle. Okay, so maybe you got 40 and 60 here, and 40 and 60 here. We know these 2 triangles are going to be similar. Basically because the third angle is going to have to be the same on these, right? It would have to be like, what, 60 I think on this, right? No, maybe 80 I think. Okay, so these would both be 80s, so all angles are going to be the same. So if we have 2 angles the same, we call that AA. That proves the triangles are similar. Way number 2 is going to be SAS. These are pretty much like the ones we did with congruent triangles. These are just for similarity. So that's going to be if you have a situation kind of like this, where maybe make this side a little longer, where this angle is the same and these sides are proportional. So maybe this is 4 inches, 8 inches, maybe this is 5 inches and 10 inches, and then there's a third side here. I'll just make that side kind of lighter. So you can see, we've got this proportion. In other words, 4 over 8 equal to 5 over 10. So sides are proportional, and then the angle between them is equal. So if you have a set of two pairs of sides that are proportional and the angle between them is equal, that's SAS. Okay, the sides proportional but the angle equal or congruent. Okay, and then the third way is just SSS. Side, side, side. Really what that means, all 3 sides are proportional. Not the same, proportional. Okay, so just a simple example would be maybe, I don't know, let's just make it double. That would be, well, let's go 4 and 6. Let's go 3 and 4.5, and let's go 6 and 9. Okay, and check these. Okay, so if I check this, 4 over 6, 3 over 4.5, and 6 over 9. Okay, you can't really reduce. I mean, you could reduce this. 3 over 4.5. This is 2/3, right? This is 2/3. I guess if I double both of these, it's actually 6/9, right? If I double that and double that, now I can reduce that down to 2/3. So since these are all equal, that's SSS. Okay, all 3 sides have the same scale factor, you could say, or they're proportional. Okay, so that's the basic idea. We'll do a couple examples, and you guys gotta do a few on your own here. So, number 1. Let's say we got this scenario. This example number 1. Let's go A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and these are parallel as given. Okay, so let's say given that AB is parallel to DE. Okay, what you need to do is fill in triangle something similar. This little squiggle is similar to triangle something by which one of these reasons up here. Okay, so let's look at it a second. We've kind of done this one already before, but since we have parallel lines, do you remember these are actually corresponding angles? And these are actually corresponding angles. This angle on the top is actually on both triangles. You could also mark that one if you wanted to, but really we've got enough. We've got 2. So triangle I'll say the big one, DCE. Similar, the squiggle is similar to, make sure you order the letters correctly. It's got to be ACB. By which one of these up here? Well, we have two angles matching, right? So by AA. Okay, let's do one more. Something like this. Okay, let's say this is 6 inches, 12 inches, 9 inches. That's not really good. Let's switch those. 12. Copy this is the longer side. Okay, 12 inches on the bottom there. And then on this one, let's say we've got 8 inches on this side. On the right, this left is 12 inches. The bottom is 16. Label these A, B, C, and we'll go D, E, F. Sorry, couldn't see all that. There you go. Okay, A, B, C here, D, E, F here. So triangle blank, similar to triangle blank by blank. Double check it, you know. We're looking at sides here, obviously. So, but double check it. The shortest side here should go with the shortest side here. The longest side with the longest. 16, oops, 12 over 16. And then the middle side with the middle here, right? 9 to 12. Okay. You could do cross products too and make sure all cross products equal the same thing, but I'm just going to reduce them. 12/16 is 3/4, right? And 9/12 is 3/4. So they're matching up, same proportion, same scale factor for each. So be careful on the letters here again. If you do A, B, C, believe the A here actually matches with the F over here if you look at it carefully, because the shortest side and then this middle side. So it's actually FED. So make sure you order them correctly there, and then that's by SSS. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 of them to do on your own, and write these down, and so it'll be number 3, number 4, and number 5. Actually, I'm going to give you 4 of them. Put number 6 over here, maybe. Okay, so write these down, and then see if you can get the answers to these 3. Okay, number 3, draw this. Parallel sides. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, go ahead and figure that one out. Number 4, look like this. Kind of similar idea. This is 10. This is 15. This is 12. This is 18. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, same thing, fill in these blanks. Okay. You can just pause that if you need to. Number 5. Looks like this. Sorry, A, B, C there. D, E, F, like that. We'll label it. Put a 40 there. We'll put an 80 there and a 60 there. Again, pause it if you need to. And do I have a number 6? Yeah, try this one for number 6. Four, 8, 70 in between. That would be ABC. And then the bigger one looks like this. 6, 12, 60, 50. So D, E, F. Okay, triangle blank, similar. Triangle blank by blank. One of these, I'm just going to tell you, one of these actually is not. You can't prove them similar, so just write can't prove it. But the other 3, you can prove it. So write out the little statement. But I'll tell you what, one of these 3 that I gave you here cannot be proved. So see if you can figure out which one it actually is there. Okay, that's all you got to do for today is fill those all in and bring it with you tomorrow.